Hi Sumates, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to make this beautiful sleeveless half jacket. So if this feel like what you love, hit the subscribe button.
So let's get started. So for this class, for the shoulder we are using 9. Then for this very one, we are going to measure 3/2. So we are using 3/2 for how wide the neck is going to be. It's 3/2. Then how long is going to be, that is the length. We are using 4. So the width is 3/2 and the length is 4. Just like we've always done, you connect it and connect it. Just as seen, just the way it is. Like we've been doing this over and over again, so you should get used to it by now. You keep your covula. Just give it a go. The next thing you want to do is to measure your back, the length of your back, how wide you want it. Please always keep it at 1.
Please ensure that the back depth of your t-shirt neckline is always 1 inch deep. It shouldn't be deeper than 1 inch.
For this one, it is a half jacket, so I want to use 1.5 for the shoulder slope. I'm using 1.5 for the shoulder slope. The previous class we used, here was 9 and here was 7.5 because it was a female dress. But for this particular one, it is an half jacket. Half jacket, this place is not supposed to be tight. So that being said, I used 9 here. I am using exactly 9 here. I'm using exactly 9. So I'm coming down from here. I'm coming down by 9. So all I just have to do now is to confirm my chest measurements. That is the bust, measurement of the bust. I'm using 10, meaning that it was 40. 40 divided by 4 will give you 10. So you keep your covula and then connect the dots. Connect the dots. So here, keep your straight roller and connect the shoulder straight. For the length from here, I'll be using 22. This 22 is bending. This 22 I'm using is bending. So automatically, okay, let's say I'm using 22 out. I'm bending allowance, bending and everything. So this is my thing. I will just go ahead to connect them together. So we are done. Always remember to cut the back neck face. Back neck face. Give your shoulders length. So at the end of it, this is what we have. At the end of this is what we have. So remove the back, separate them so that you can give your front. Use and cut. So at the end of it, this is what we have for the front.
Check the comment section for the link to the sewing tutorial.